Well, our lead story is coming from the state of Maharashtra. The swearing-in ceremony of Maharashtra's new Chief Minister is all set to take place today at 5 p.m. at Mumbai's Azad Maidan. Devendra Fadnavis will take oath of office for the third term as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra today. BJP leaders, as we are learning, had backed Fadnavis when his name was proposed for the Chief Minister's post. Now, after the announcement, Fadnavis, accompanied by his allies, Shiv Sena's Eknath Shinde and NCP's Ajit Pawar, met with the Governor of Maharashtra and submitted a letter of support to stake claim to form the government in Maharashtra. Now, after meeting with the Governor, is what we are learning, Fadnavis urged Eknath Shinde that it was a wish of all the leaders of Mahayuti that he should be a part of the government. While speaking at the press conference, in fact, later, Fadnavis also added that the posts of Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are only technical and all the allies should work together to deliver good governance in Maharashtra. Now, the Mahayuti leaders have not even disclosed anything about the portfolio distribution, but the oath-taking ceremony will take place today at 5:30. Listen in.
सरकार का शपथ विधि ये 5 तारीख को शाम को 5:30 बजे विश्व गौरव भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की उपस्थिति में संपन्न होगा। मुंबई के आजाद मैदान पर मेरे नाम की सिफारिश का पत्र दिया है। साथ साथ राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष और लेजिस्लेचर पार्टी के नेता माननीय अजीत दादा पवार जी ने भी उसी प्रकार का पत्र दिया है। माननीय हमारे मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी के पास गया था और एकनाथ राव जी को मैंने ये निवेदन किया था कि हम सभी की इच्छा है कि इस सरकार में वे स्वयं हमारे साथ रहे। शिवसेना के भी विधायकों की इच्छा है और महायुति के भी विधायकों की इच्छा है।
क्या आप और अजीत दादा पवार साहब भी कल डिप्टी सीएम पद की शपथ लेंगे?
अरे भैया, अभी तो कहा, देवेंद्र जी ने भी कहा, मैं भी कह रहा हूँ, रुको थोड़ा, अभी शाम तक रुको, अभी कल शपथ लीजिए है ना।
उनका समझ में आएगा, मैं तो लेने वाला हूँ।
आम्ही सरकारचं काम उत्तम पद्धतीनं पार पाडण्याचं काम मनापासून करू आणि जो आश्वासन कालच्या आम्ही निवडणुकीच्या काळामध्ये दिली गेलेली आहेत ती आश्वासनांची पूर्तता करण्याच्या करता आम्ही योग्य पद्धतीनं राज्याला पुढे नेण्याचं काम करू.
Well, so the people of Maharashtra will today know who will be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. What we are learning is Devendra Fadnavis will take oath as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra today, and this entire ceremony, in fact, will take place at Azad Maidan at 5:30 p.m. and the Prime Minister will also be part of it. We are learning that the Chief Minister of different BJP-led states will also be a part of this oath-taking ceremony. But as the Mahayuti government takes shape, what we are learning is that there's an inside scoop on Times Now about the power sharing as far as Mahayuti is concerned. What we are learning is that Chief Minister and 21 ministers will take oath today on December 5th, as we told you, at 5:30. 7 ministers, each from BJP, Sena and NCP. As we've been telling you, 777 power sharing formula as far as Mahayuti is concerned. BJP pushes for a clean cabinet is in fact a claim that has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Controversial names will be dropped is what the sources are telling us as far as the ministers in Mahayuti and in Maharashtra are now concerned. All the controversial leaders in the state will be dropped out of that list. Have a look.